Hello, my dear student. I am your social teacher B.R. Sigdal. Okay, and today I am coming with this Unit 8, Lesson 1. Okay, that is the current plan. Yes, current plan. Okay, so now listen to me here. In Nepal, the plan development is started from 2013. My dear student, you must have to know that from when the planning or development work and activities has been started in Nepal, then you must have to recognize in your mind that the scientific planning has been started in Nepal from 2013. The then time, Teti Bela, it means the then means Teti Bela. Who is the Prime Minister of Nepal? The then time the Prime Minister of Nepal is Tanku Prasad Acharya. Okay. Now we are in this present context. Now we are in the 14th plan. What the mean of 14th plan? The plan that is started from 2073-74 to 2075-76. That plan is known as this 14th plan. We are in this 14th plan. Okay, that is started from 2073-74 and is ended to this 2075 and 76. So this plan is known as this 14th plan. Like this, you must have to understand, and you must have to go to this book to know more detail about this lesson and the concept. Okay, we are just this guideline for you today, for you, my dear student. Okay, then what are the vision that is included? What are the vision that are included in this 14th plan? The vision means self-dependent. Listen me. The vision. What are the vision that is included in this 14th plan? Okay. The self-dependent socialism oriented and prosperous Nepal. These are the things that has been included in this vision of this 14th plan. And what are the goal now? What are the goal that is included? Okay, means that to reach the level of this medium income with the self-welfare nation. Okay, this is this goal. And what are the objective that has been included in this 14th plan? Means that to make the socio-economic transformation, to make the socio-economic transformation nation by elevating this poverty, by reducing this poverty. Okay, these are the objective that has been included in this present, or you can say 14th plan of this Nepal. And what are the criteria? There the priority has been given in this plan. Now priority. Okay, the priority given to this protection as well as this production oriented sector. Actually, the priority has been given this production oriented sectors, infrastructures, okay, social and social security sectors, development of the agriculture, industry, okay, industrial sectors, and tourism, as well as the gender equality. These are the priority that has been included in this year's 14th plan, my dear student. Then what are the strategies? Means that Radaniti. What are the strategy has been implemented by this 14th plan? Okay, strategy means Radaniti. Now listen to me here, according to this point wise, my dear student. Okay, so what are the strategies? Okay, means Radaniti. Okay, to increase to increase what? Production through this agriculture. Means that anyhow production oriented agriculture transformation, means that agricultural transformation, expansion of this tourism by development of this industrial and the small and this medium scale this enterprises. These are these strategies. Point number first. And second one is that to develop energy, development of the road, okay, air transportation, okay, information and this communications, a rural town, as well as a country connection. From the history, our country has been connected with only this India. Our trade has been done with the India. Now, this plan included in the strategy that Nepal must have to not depend only with this India, but country connections policy has been included. This is very good for the nation. And similarly, to make the high-end sustainable development. To make what the high-end sustainable development? Sustainable development means Digo Vikas. The development work and activities that is carried out without hampering this nature or environment, without depleting this nature. That is known as the sustainable development. Means that the strategy has been given the top priority while doing any development work and activities. The means that sustainable development priority has been focused by this 14th plan, and it has been included in this strategy. Okay, as well as this human development. These are the, my dear student, the strategy that has been included by this 14th the plan. Okay, and similarly to promote the overall good governance. Okay, and to promote the gender equality, inclusion of the all castes, okay, and the environment conservation, okay, optimum use of the science and technology, and this increase or this institutionalist capacity. All these are this strategy that has been included in this 14 plan. Now the next important question from this lesson is that what are the causes, okay? Causes that is obstruct this plan in Nepal, okay? Why most of the economic plan became unsuccess in context to Nepal? Like this also, my dear student, in group B in 4 marks the question are asked, okay? If the steps of the questions are asked, then how you can give this answer in your examination? Take the idea with me, point wise, point number first. Due to the lack of visionary as manpower, visionary as what the planner, visionary as political leaders, okay? And due to lack of proper planning and due to its effective implementation, that is the first reason that most of the plan became the fail in context to Nepal. And second one is that due to this political transition, okay, as well as this instability of this political act and activities, and there is the political chaos and misunderstanding, that is also the problem. And lack of sufficient budget in the capital that is needed to run any project, that is also the problem that has been seen in context to Nepal. So that most of the the plan, economic plan became fail in context to Nepal, okay, my dear student. Not only this, due to this corruption, leakage, okay, of this budget, okay, and there is the nepotism as well as the favorism, okay, unnecessary political cadre used to do the dirty politics in the name of this different projects. These are also the problems most frequently occur in context to Nepal. These are the problems. And similarly, next one is that due to the more ambitious planning, that is also this problem, okay. So these are the problem, these are the obstructions that has been caused to run run as well as implement any economic plan. Like this, my dear student, you must have to understand the lesson. And this much for today, my dear student. Again tomorrow I will come with this next topic. Thank you very much.